The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, NASA, and the United Nations. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is coming to an end. NASA has detected that planet Mars is on a collision with the Earth. This planet is 10 times sizes of the Earth due to that large planet. Planet Mars is expected to collide with the Earth within the next 10 hours. NASA has finally finished all the spacecrafts and space stations. Get in the spacecraft now. I repeat, get in the spacecraft now. If don't evacuate in 10 hours, you'll be face certain death. Once Mars hits the Earth, giant mega tsunamis will form, mega earthquake will occur, Kessler syndrome will take place, a huge firestorm will form, and blocking the sun for about 12 years. We see you in the space. Goodbye, and play the national anthem.
Say